Hello. Oh, I got 2 pings. What is this, man? What is this, bro? Why do I... What is this, bro? I ain't reading all that. Anyway. Speak to me. Who's there? Announce yourself. Welcome, Prozac God. Okay. Right. Let's do this. Get on a quick thing. If I change the font size on one terminal, it changes them on both. Was good. Original. Needed to pause your BP to be here. What is BP? What is BP? Sounds sus. Black pill. What black pill? What were you like? Were you like self-harming or something? What? What's good, Mika? Behave yourself this stream. So yeah. What's clean, man? Let's see, what have I got into last time? Okay, I've got this, so deal. Boom, 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 boom. I did not fucking win. Okay. Okay. My logic is incorrect, man. So if it equals 21, you got blackjack. If it's more than 21, set winner dealer. So how the fuck? Oh, I'm a dumbass, man. I meant to do that. So let's do that again. Yeah. Now it's going to say I lost. If I get more than 21, yeah, that's it. Good. All right. I'm actually going to make the play again button work just because that's like a little quick dopamine hit. Gabe, you should have had some weird logo in your hair. It would have been funny. Put your channel logo in it. Nah. I forgot to change the camera, didn't I? What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Nah, I don't think my barber's good enough. It's just like a random Turkish barber, innit? So they're not good enough to put the code Gabe lit symbol. Alright, so I want to make the play again button work. That's going to be tricky. That requires the game init function to work, which I haven't even set up. So let's go here, game init. Right. So here, so game winner. So I need to basically set these values to shit all. Let's do that. Boom. Okay, and I'll go here. Motherfucker. Click. Okay. And then we'll do that. Okay. And it can't be 0. It's going to be set to 0. It's going to be set to that because it's already initialized. So it can't be, we can't use the initialization brackets. Okay. Game. Oh, what am I doing? No, that's not how it works. I need to have a restart game. Okay. I'm gonna make replay. How would I replay? I could have a separate function. I have no clue what his name is. Okay. Can I call a construct? I don't even know if I can call a constructor after it's made. Can I call a class's constructor twice in C++? What the fuck? Okay. No, okay. Well, that means I'm literally just gonna. Well, I don't need that. Okay. Game reset. Restart. Replay. Play again. That's it. Yeah. I mean, I think that's it, really. So, reset the variables. Like, nothing else to it. Oh, what does it return? Nothing. Void. Okay. Yeah, okay. And then main here. Check if user wants to play again by pressing the button. Again, button. What's good, Jamie? The past 6 months I've been using my PC for 1,100 hours. Gabe, would you have Segion Pex for £20 sterling? What is blood on about? English, please, mate. Okay. I need to make a rectangle for the play again button. So here I'll do bound is okay, and then I'll copy this. What? Yeah. Copy. What the fuck? There it is, finally. Okay, and then second parameter is the actual file dimensions. So 207 by 50. 207 by 50. And that's that. Okay, and then how can I undo and undo? Mm-hmm. So copying doesn't work in Neovim sometimes. It's just like a gamble. Like I click copy, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah. Don't know what crack Neovim's smoking. Yeah, and then we'd have play again bound. Yeah. And then that's simply game dot play again. Yeah. And then that puts the case to start. And that should be it. Let's see. Deal. Yeah. So now if I lose, it'll give me that. And if I play again, clicking play again, playing again. Maybe I didn't set the state of the game. Yeah. Did I? Game state is start. So I did set it to start. Weird. Let's debug what is the game state after the user clicks the play again button. Maybe it won't work because it's a private field. It's detecting the clicks. Game state 2 at the end of the game. 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so it's still on the end game state because 2 is end in the enum scenario, enum context. So game.set game state. I knew this would come in handy one day. Start. Yeah, okay. Ah! Oh. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's nearly working. But it goes straight to the end scenario. This is so sketchy. Oh, it works. What? What is going on? I got blackjack, man. I'm gonna move this a bit to the left. What's good, everyone? I'm gonna make a poll in the chat. Everyone vote in the poll. Okay. So yeah, I need to actually add functionality to the stand button. Currently it does nothing. Okay. Well, everything else work. Well, no. The stand button doesn't work and the dealer doesn't actually deal yet. The dealer doesn't get his cards. Apart from that, the game is done. So there's just 2 things left. Okay, that'll fix it. So this play again function is absolutely useless. You want awkward silence with me in the middle? Nice. Got no 100%. Crazy. Okay. It doesn't affect me, the music. When I add music to the stream, I turn it down anyway, because it distracts me. Okay. So now this text should be gone when I press restart. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, good. Good. Okay, now I just gotta add functionality to stand, and yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I didn't even do anything to the cache system. That's 3 things I have to do. So I actually have to allow the user to bet how much they want to use of their cache. And then the dealer. Yeah, okay. So let's go here to the to-do list. Okay. Whoa. What is going on? Okay. Alright, so to do things left. To do. I'm gonna push this to GitHub in a sec. Okay. And allow the user to bet using their cache balance. That's it. They're the 3 things I got left to do and the game's finished. So I'm gonna put this on GitHub first. Replayability functionality. That is not real English, man. Adding play again functionality. Boom. Git push. Please work. Good. Yeah. Hello, Tubanami. Hey, congrats on the effort and on the Arch Linux usage. Thank you, man. Or woman. Never guess these days. Yeah, Neovim's still pretty hard to use. Sometimes it just starts recording my letters, my keybinds, randomly. Okay. Now check GitHub. Yeah. All good. Yeah, just those three things. Just okay. Stand. I do need to remind myself sometimes how to actually play the game. So many white screens, man. I'm getting blinded. Right. So, I'm obviously gonna stand now because I'm on 20. I won, bro. I'm actually such a good gambler, man. Okay. So stand, yeah, that just means give it to the dealer's turn. Give it to the yeah. Now, how would I do that? How would I do that? How did I win that? Oh, damn. Okay. So the stand is easy. What else? Number 1 and number 2 in the to-do list are the same thing, actually. I just realized. So, yeah. Next thing, I got to allow the user to use their balance. So if they got $1,400, they want to use a grand. That will minus it from their balance. Oh, shit. I just won. Where's my money? Oh, wait. I have so much money. I just doubled my money because I got blackjack. I might actually do this in real life. I'm joking. Right. Oh, split. I forgot about that. What is that? I don't even know what that does. Oh, that's when you have two cards of the same value, I think. I'm not going to add that functionality yet because that is way too much. Way too much thinking. Okay. Mm. Stop. Okay. So standing functionality. Stand, yeah. Clicking stand. So let's go to player.stand. It's got nothing there. I don't think this should be a function in the player class. This should be a function in the game class. Because the dealer obviously can't stand. Alright. It's okay, don't worry. Don't cry yet, bruv. Sorry, that was so chavvy. I can't believe I said that. Here. Player.stand, right, I'm gonna do game.stand instead. And make that method now. So I need to get a random number and just give it to the guy. So was it random value? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Until 11. And then set dealer total cards. Yeah, do that. Get dealer total cards. Yeah, plus that. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So let's try this out. Uh-oh. Game stand. No matching function for call. Set dealer. What? There's one candidate. What's a candidate? What is a candidate? YouTube's complaining again that I'm recording on 2K resolution instead of 1080p. Oh well. How am I supposed to know, little bro? You're code GAT, not me. Don't ever say that again. Actually, I forgot you're a femboy. That's what you do. This guy's the biggest femboy in my chat, man. I swear this guy doesn't go to school, man. Yeah, you are. You're the biggest femboy. You're the biggest batty man in the chat. So what's wrong with this game stand? Maybe it's some... What? Game stand. Void game... Ah. Wait, what? Void... What's the problem? What? Everything worked a minute ago. Bro. Blad, what? Let's try that again. What the fuck? I didn't change anything. Everything's back to normal. And it's cooked. Everything is back to normal. Ah, okay. Why have I got an error? Why have I got an error? My face is in the way. What's good, man? Let's... Ooh. Should I hide myself? Nah, can't be doing that. I'll just like pop myself up there. So, what's the error? Batty boy in it. So, no declaration. I'm not using stand. I'm not. Oh. What? Gonna stand there. There's no. Bro, where did you get stand from? I don't have any stand in my code. Player stand. Player.cpp. Void player stand. I don't fucking have stand. There's no stand in the entire file. Where here do you see stand? I'm gonna keep on compiling it. It might work one day. Void player stand. There's no void player stand. There's no stand. Where are you getting stand from? Void player stand. There's no stand. What? Is it because I didn't write to it? Oh, I swear if that's the problem. Oh my god. It's because I didn't save the file. It was stuck in the buffer zone. Oh my. Okay. Gosh, man. Alright, back to this. Why is it when I crush I get more viewers? So hit. Yeah. Okay. Dun. Oh damn, wait. I wanna try to get to 21. Oh, 20 is good enough. So stand should work. It should make the dealer have some cards. Apparently fucking not. No, because I didn't implement it. What am I on about? Yeah. Hello, Tony. Lol, classic moment, in it, blood. Hey to the pretty people here. Indeed. So yeah, I'm gonna make the function stand, the method, in the game and not the player class. Because the dealer is set in the class, in the game class. So it's irrelevant to the player class. So if I go here and then do that, I shouldn't be getting an error. Set dealer total cards. Ah, it's because it's not accepting any parameters. Oh my gosh. Okay. Such a rookie mistake. Right. So then dealer cards equals new total cards. That's it. That's simply it. Okay. Oh, I just gained an error. Oh, it's because I didn't define it in this one. So we're gonna want int. What do I call it? New total cards. New total cards, yeah. Okay. Function signatures are now the same. Cool. So in main, if I do game.stand, the dealer will be able to get his own cards now. Oh, well, that's just me basically playing for the dealer at this point. I wanted to automate it. That's fine. That's fine. I'll just make some logic. So if it's below 21, it's going to continuously add. I'm going to need to have some sort of smart AI system to guess if it wants to go, if it wants to keep on hitting as a dealer. Because it needs to stop eventually. Nice Neovim setup. What version of Neovim are you on? Let's see, man. That one. Yeah. Just finished learning subnetting, y'all. That is a cybersecurity topic, isn't it? Swear it is. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, I learned about this a couple years ago as well. It's pretty interesting. It's a simple topic though, like at least the basics of it. Good job on learning it then. Version 11, I think by default to uncomment a line you can just type GCC. Yeah? Yeah, because in Visual Studio you just do control/. Let's see. So that is actually really useful. Thank you, man. Yeah, that is really good. That would save me about 5 seconds from having to go. If it's a really long line like this one, draw a texture, instead of having to go all the way to the beginning and then pressing I and then that, I can just do GCC. That's very good. Yeah, Tony's definitely Neovim Pro. What a guy. I mean, what a Chad name, like Tony. I'm gonna name my child Tony just because of this guy. Such a Chad. Man, I need water. My lips are dry like the Sahara Desert. That's based. My son name is Linus. Right. Right, I'm gonna be back in a minute. I'm gonna get some water. Don't anybody leave. Cool channel. Not a lot of people streaming C++ right now. Yeah, that's why I'm streaming C++, because it's an untapped field. Lots of potential for like new content, which is why I'm streaming. Especially because I'm still a minor. For the next month, I can still put that in the title, use it for clickbait. But yeah, once January rolls around, I'm gonna have to find a new thumbnail. It's gonna be out of date. Nah, man. Every adult codes in C++. Although my co-workers, they don't. They prefer C#, JavaScript. Like, them chill languages. Would like to try and make some actual good videos, but yeah, it's tough out there. Yeah, man. Give it a go. You gotta do it if you like it. If you enjoy making content, then do it. If you have pleasure in editing, recording, talking to people online, making thumbnails, like the whole process, then if you do it, it doesn't matter if you get successful or not. I mean, I've been doing this for what I'm doing now. I've only been doing for 4 months. I've gained the majority of my subscribers just in the past 4 or 5 months. But actual YouTube, I've been doing it since about 2017. But I never gained any success until 2025. Because I was making utterly shit content. I was doing anything, right? I wasn't coding, I was just doing gaming videos for about 7 years. Really bad ones. I've still got a couple on this channel, but I've privated all the other ones. And the other ones are on a different channel as well. I didn't get any subs, like max 100. And then when I switched to programming, like 5 months ago, that's when I gained like 400 subs, 300 subs. You just ate a cucumber. Good job, Jamie. High five. You try making some videos and posting them, but you think they're low quality, honestly. You know, man. That's probably just in your head. It's probably just your mindset. You maybe just be overthinking it. Because I actually think this mic is kind of low quality. I have a Blue Yeti mic in a different room. I actually gave it to my dad. But that was way better than this one. I only got this one because it has a mic stand. It's got a arm. But the Blue Yeti I have is way better quality than this one. And this one is actually pretty cheap. I think in my setup... No, I bought this after my setup tour. If you want, I can send you a link to this. It's just on Amazon. It's just a cheap one, really. Yeah, fine. This stuff. It's good, yeah. But man, if you enjoy making content, right, don't let your setup stop you. Because there are many people with much lower gear than I have, lower specifications, and they're making way better quality than me. It's not about the setup you have. It's literally just about, are you entertaining? Yeah, there are people on YouTube, and I can name a couple. I've got better gear than them, but they're making way better quality than me. Way better quality content. So it's literally not about your gear. Mika, do you want me to ban you or something? I swear down. Where is Prozac God? Oh, that guy. I saw him on Discord. He joined last night and he started. Why is the first word I see daddy? I'm actually gonna kill this guy. Okay, anyways. Prozac God. This guy just came in like yesterday. And he just started like producing so much aura. It was insane. Where is it? This was the first message he said. And it was just, this project implements a multi-stage bootloader shim designed to transition from a 32-bit multi-boot environment. Like, utter Chad Git repository right there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Which Gabe League is home address? Nah, don't worry. I covered it up in my hand. I'm not that stupid. For now, at least. Okay, so back to this innit? Yeah. I always forget what happens after you click stand. I've actually got low memory loss. Stand. Uh-oh. Push. That's never happened to me before. Insurance? What on earth is that? What? How did my how did my number just go down? Okay. What does stand do again? So it doesn't allow me to hit or stand anymore. And it gives new cards to the dealer, and then it compares who won. That's basically it. Okay, now because I don't have an AI, I'm gonna have to hard code some logic for now. Right. So currently I'm always losing. Why am I always losing? Oh, because the dealer never goes. All right. So yeah, stand. Game.stand. Let's go to stand. Where's my terminal? There. I don't need it currently. We'll leave it there. Yeah, I do. I need it. Game. So we set the total cards, and we'll do that like 3 times. How can I do it 3 times? Boom. Okay, let's just do that. Oh, I need to... Here, I will do can, it's a boolean, can choose. Can choose. Can choose. Zero means false, right? This if the player can hit or stand. It's the dealer's turn. Okay. Oh, I don't know these 0 and 1, so I'm just gonna do true. So by default it's true. And then here. Oh, I need to make a fuck's sake. I need to make a getter and setter. I so can't be asked to do that. Oh no. Or maybe I don't have to. Yeah, I do. Fuck. Right. I don't want to make a getter and setter, so I'm gonna do this a different way. I'll put it here. And then I will simply access it in the game class. So. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. Oh, I guess I need to make a getter anyway. Can player choose? Okay. And then here I will do can player choose. Will return because it's a private field. We need to do this. Can choose. Oh no. Oh wait, yes. Wait. Game. I'll do that. Yeah. Oh good, man. Come on, Neovim, do better. Or me, it's actually a skill issue on my part, but yeah. Can choose. Yeah. Return that. Okay. So in main, stand. That will now do game dot in the stand function we set can choose to false. So then all I need to do is do an if statement again. Another if statement. Oh my gosh. Here at the beginning, if game dot can player choose equals false, then simply I'll do this after the winner's checking status. What? I pressed tab and it took me over to the other galaxy. If player can choose. is false. Then break. Yeah. I'm sinking in my chair again. All right, good night, original. Oh, no way, it works. It takes the options away. Okay, so I got blackjack. I obviously won. But it's only giving the dealer 13. $11. Okay. How did they get 7? Ah, okay. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I'm not joining the VC, man. Not yet, at least. No one look at that. At that. So, yeah. Okay, okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. No. I think I'll do it 4 times. Just to be safe. Game there. I'll do this again. So, boom. Boom. Allow the dealer 4 hits of cards. So now the dealer will have a bigger... Ooh! Ooh. That's good, that's good, that's good. So now that would be a draw. Right. Now I gotta check if it's a draw. Unfortunately, I'm doing a lot of this in the main file, which is not good. Some people voted yes in the poll. Interesting. If you voted yes in the poll, say what kind of music do you want? Okay, I'm gonna add logic now. Yeah, that's what I was doing. Right, let's add logic. Again, it's not a good place to add logic here, but I'm doing it. Sue me. Check who won. Check winner. I already have a function for this, but I didn't implement anything in that function. Did I? Nah, no functionality. It would be quite hard to make functionality because I need to get a reference to the player. Well, that's it. I just need to get a reference to the player. That would be pretty easy, actually, to be fair. But I'll make a simple version of the logic, and then I'll do this after. Which I'm a bit lazy to do now. So, yeah. So if I swear I already got this logic here. I did implement this logic somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. If player will get total cards is more than 21, yeah. I got blackjack. And that's it. Okay. So if player dot get total cards equals game dot get dealer total cards, then it's a actually I'm just gonna set the game state. That would be so much simpler. Because I've already got the logic in the end case statement, switch statement. So I'll just do game dot set state. And then wait, no, that's so not how it works. Game dot set winner. Yeah. And then draw. Well, where was the enum? I had an enum for the winner. Play none. Oh, I didn't mean to put it as none, but I gotta keep it as none now because I've got too much technical debt, so I'm just gonna leave it as that. Yeah, set game winner to none. Okay. And then else if player don't get cards, boom, is more than yeah, I have a feeling that I've messed this up. I've messed up the logic. Yeah. Okay. So if the player has more cards than the dealer, then winner is the player. Else, why are you not doing all man's brackets? Neovim, I thought you'd know by now. I didn't. I prefer all man's brackets. Game dot set winner. Dealer. And that's it. Awfully built, but I think that's it. Hit. Oh, fuck. Okay. Hit. Stand. I won. How did the dealer win? What? Oh, I didn't do the boundary if statement. If player. Yeah, this is going to turn into Yandere simulator in a minute with all these if statements. If game dot get dealer total cards is more than 21, game dot set winner player. Oh, I got blackjack. Okay, why didn't I win? Oh, player one. It works. It works. It works. Blood, I'm not joining your VC. I won. Now, why isn't there a text on the screen saying I won? Draw text you won. What the fuck? What? Player one. Player one. Where is it saying player one? Oh, here. That is an awful if statement. Let me just delete that 1 sec. Actually, no. I'll just encapsulate this. Yeah, that's it. I don't need to do any break statement. Okay. That's it. Because of my breaking, it's not actually doing anything else. Okay, now it's saying player 1, but what? Ah, it's because I didn't set the game state. Okay. Game.set game state. End. Now we're going to do a bit of copy and pasting for this. Okay. Now it's going to work. Boom. I won. Yes. Okay. The game works. The game works. Now I just got to... What the fuck? Huh? Oh. Dealer cards. Did I not reset the dealer cards to 0? Now it's not letting me replay the game. Dealer cards, you should not be 18, you should be 0. Why do you know what's Yandere Simulator? Mika. Aren't you like 4 years younger than me? Why we didn't ask me that question? Silly Billy. What was I doing? It's a draw. Crazy. Okay. At least it works. So the deal button is... Okay, we need to reset the dealer cards. So... Game.deal set dealer total cards 0. Now it's gonna work. Fuck. Oh, blackjack. Oh no, it's a fucking draw. We both got blackjack. That is insane. That's insane. It still doesn't work. Why isn't it working? What? What? Have I got a hidden button? There's a ghost button on my screen which I can't see. Oh, wait. I forgot to do something. Game dot. Can player choose? So game.setPlayer. What? Why have I got an error? Can choose. Why have I got an error? I've done a bit of progress in 1 hour, to be fair, mate. No way, Crin uploaded. This guy's jacked. What the hell? This guy's joking it.
They don't treat me like shit. They do treat me like shit. They treat everyone like shit. They treat bigger YouTubers that
Who is this guy?
50K a month. They treat them like shit. They treat me like shit. They treat everyone like shit. Fucking, it's insane.
You guys seen this? Oh my lord. Okay. So back to this. Why have I got an error? Set player choosing B. Set player choosing ball B. Void. Void. No declaration matches set player. Ah, I did the same issue I did earlier. I didn't save it to the file. There it is. Now before I do that. Set player choosing. True. Now it's gonna work as desired. Yes, it works. I won again. This bot sucks, man. Well, I made it suck, but yeah. How did Blood get 34? Okay. Three or four hits would be enough. I could add some more advanced logic, but there's not a need right now. Because it still gets good results majority of the time. Okay. Okay, it's all done. So done. Now I just gotta add the possibility to bet with your cash. The most fun bit. I left the most fun bit till last. First, I'm gonna upload this to Git. Okay. Get cash. Okay. Now I want to do bet. What time is it? 10. Okay. 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 I still gotta do that. Git commit, adding to dos, git push. I work on the main branch because I'm a Chad, you know. Yeah. It's gonna be end of this stream. I'm putting this back to normal. Don't like it up there. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching. Tomorrow, actually not tomorrow. I'm not streaming tomorrow. The next stream I do, I'm gonna finish that blackjack functionality. No, Mika. No. Mika, you're the only one that wants it, man. But yeah, next stream, I'm gonna finish the betting functionality on the blackjack. And yeah. This guy's crazy. But yeah, make sure you all hit that like button, subscribe, join the Discord server up there. And check out the streaming schedule so you can see when I'm next live. Welcome, Tony. I'll send you there. Okay. What's good, Tony? Like your profile picture. Yeah, got some people there. Should I join that? Should I risk joining that VC before ending the stream? I'm gonna do it. We'll join for 1 minute. See what's going on. Hello?
6, 7.
7.
Oh my gosh. Can we not, please? Please. What are you working on, Jimmy?
Assembly.
Assembly? You're teaching
Yeah.
Mika how to do assembly.
Yeah, I am
I
actually.
don't
Yeah.
understand shit.
I'm trying to.
Mika,
fix
what
those
have you
errors.
learned? What have you learned?
You know about MOV, don't you?
No, let him
You know
speak.
what-
Let him speak. What do you know,
I know-
Mika?
I know what MOV does and about that. Yeah.
Okay, what does
I know
MOV
what-
do? What does MOV do?
It sets like the binary thingy.
What the fuck?
It's-
Jamie.
What?
Mika, I'll give you one more chance. What does MOV do in assembly?
Okay, fine. I don't know. I know it's something that like.
Okay. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. See you next time. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.